Series. Now, just I would like to talk about how to access the informations related to the pandas by means of the attributes. Okay, so for example, if you create a pandas, data equivalent to pd dot series of Pandas series. Okay, so I for I in range of 10. Okay, let me have this series. Okay, suppose if you want to know about the information related to this series called data, I would like to call some different types of series attributes. Okay, this session is about to talk about the attributes of the series. Suppose if you want to know the index of the data series, data dot index is the attribute. You can call data dot index. It informs that it starts with 0 and stops with 10. The step size is 1. Okay, suppose if you want to know the shape of the series, it will inform, you can call data dot shape. Suppose if you want to know the data type, you can call d type. It will inform that in 64, as I already informed you how to reduce the size, you just go and call the d types attributes during the creation of the series. Okay. Suppose if you want to know the size, you can call size of attribute. It will inform that the totally 10 elements, so the size is 10. Okay, so now if you want to confirm whether the series is empty or not, you can call data dot empty. Data dot empty, it informs that it's false because the values are available. Okay, so data dot n bytes is an attribute. It returns the number of bytes in the data. It will inform that it's 80 bytes. Here you just assume one information in your mind that the number of bytes is nothing but the size into the number of occupants. Here in 64 bits is nothing but one byte with 10 element. Byte is nothing but 8 bits, you know. Okay, here 64, that here 110, so it will be 80. Okay, 64 bits. Okay, into the size of the particular so I already inform you how to reduce. Say for example, if you are going to make use of d types equivalent to int 8. Okay, now the bytes will be very less. The size is also size is 10. Data dot d type is 8 bit. Okay, so 1 byte. Now if you call data dot n bytes, it will inform that only 10 bytes. Now you just feel the difference. Here it's 80 bytes. Here is 10 bytes. Okay, so one more important thing is here, data dot has nans. So if there is any nan value, it will inform that the availability of the nan value. Fortunately, we don't have the nan value over here. Okay, so it returns as false. Suppose I'm importing the numpy. Now data of say for example data of 10 or data of 9. Okay, let me take data of 9. What is data of 9? It's 9. Now I would like to change the value at the index 9 equivalent to np dot nan. Okay, now the data will be nan. Okay, it's changed with nan, not a number. Now if you call data dot has nans, it will inform that it's true. Okay, so it's important to understand. It's important to check the elements of the entire series. Here it's prototype. So suppose if you are going to deal with a very large data set, so these are all the attributes which is used to understand the information about the complete series. Okay, fortunately we have one more important attribute that is called as ndim, which is used to inform what is the dimensionality of this data. Here it's one dimension. Okay, So that's all about the series attributes. In the next video, we will have some other important information related to these pandas. Thank you very much. Keep watch.